everyone. Welcome to this class on bottom of the pyramid marketing or what we call BOP marketing. Today we will try and understand a unique framework called the 4 A's of BOP marketing. We also call it marketing mix of BOP, which is affordability, availability, awareness and acceptability. This framework offers a fresh perspective particularly relevant to marketers aiming to serve the bottom of the pyramid or BOP segment. But why the shift from the traditional 4 P's of product, price, place and promotion to the 4 A's? The answer lies in the unique needs and challenges of the BOP market, where billions of consumers live with limited resources and vastly different buying patterns. The 4 A's allow marketers to adopt their strategies and address barriers these consumers face like financial constraints, remote living conditions and lack of traditional media access. Throughout this session, we will go through each of the 4 A's, contrasting them with their respective P's and explore how companies worldwide are creatively marketing products to make life easier for BOP consumers. So, the first section we will try to think about the first A, which is affordability, which is contrasting with price. Let's begin with affordability, which parallels the traditional concept of marketing mix price. In traditional markets, the pricing usually reflects a product's perceived value, production cost and competitor pricing. But in BOP markets, affordability is crucial because consumers here have a lower disposable income and they need products at prices they can realistically afford. This means not just lowering prices, but sometimes redesigning the entire value proposition. Let's take an example of affordability in action in case of Hindustan Unilever's Lifebuoy soap in India. Instead of selling regular size soap bars, they introduce smaller bars and single-use sachets at much lower price. These affordable packaging options help consumers in rural and low-income areas prioritize hygiene within their limited budget. So, let's see a detailed case on understanding this affordability. Procter & Gamble's PUR water purifier or pure water purifier, they comes in sachet. These are safe drinking water in scarce in many BOP communities. So, but for many families, buying an expensive filtration system is always out of the question. Against that, pure sachet provide an affordable alternatives with each small packet capable of purifying 10 liters of water. This product was distributed at a fraction of the cost of a traditional filtration system. It makes safe water accessible, affordable, particularly in remote African and South Asian villages. Another good example can be energy sector companies like D-Light. We have taken this example multiple times. They introduce solar powered lantern at affordable prices for BOP communities in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. They even offer pay-as-you-go models where consumer can pay small amount daily or weekly, making clean energy affordable to families who previously relied on costly kerosene lamps. Next A of 4 A's is availability. Availability can be contrasted with place of 4 P's. So let's explore availability, which stands in contrast to the traditional marketing mix place. In traditional markets, place typically means distribution channels like retail stores or e-commerce. But for the BOP market, where infrastructure may be lacking, availability involves creatively overcoming geographic and logistical barriers to ensure products reach consumer in remotest area also. For example, a well-known brand Coca-Cola, they are having their distribution network in Africa Coca-Cola's ensure its product reach even the remotest villages through innovative micro distribution. By partnering with local small scale distributors, Coca-Cola overcome the challenges of last mile deliveries in area without any formal retail infrastructure. What is the result? Coca-Cola products are widely available across the continent, even in the most isolated locations. That is how distribution can be helped. Let's take another case study of ITC's eChopal. This initiative in India, a major company of ITC which is into agriculture sector, set up internet kiosks called eChopals in rural villages. Farmers can use this kiosk to check current crop prices, weather forecast and best farming practices. The e-Chopals have become a bridge for ITC to directly connect with rural markets, enhancing availability for both buyers and sellers and improving economic opportunities for farmers by bypassing traditional middlemen. Another great example is Shakti Amma's, which is Unilever's Project Shakti initiative. Also a prime example. Unilever trains rural women entrepreneurs to become micro distributors of Unilever products. Not only does this bring household item directly to the doors of rural consumer, but it also empowers local women with a source of income. This model has expanded rapidly, creating a sustainable solution to availability in hard to reach areas. So that's how availability was the second A in contrast to place. Coming to the third A, which is awareness. Awareness contrasts with promotion of 4 Ps. So let's look at awareness, which differs from traditional marketing mix promotion. In traditional marketing, promotion relies on media advertising through channels like TV, radio and social media. But in BOP marketing, the primary challenge is to raise awareness among consumers who may not even have access to these channels or who are unfamiliar with the products. Awareness strategies in BOP markets often require community-based approaches. In personal demonstration and word of mouth communication, all such things can be used. Let's take example of once back, last time we did the case study of Godrej Chotu Cool, which is designed for rural India and many villagers have no previous experience with refrigerators. So traditional advertisement would not have been any effect. Instead, Godrej used local fairs and community events to demonstrate the benefit of this Chotu Cool. By showing the product in action, they made it easy for people to see how this small affordable refrigerator could be a game changer for their daily lives. Another detailed case which we can understand is Project Shakti's Shakti Amma. Shakti Ammas also serves as a case study in awareness. Here also, in addition to selling product, this woman serve as a brand educators, explaining the uses and benefit of Unilever products directly to the communities. This grassroots model has proven highly effective because it builds trust and familiarity with the brand. Many BOP consumers rely on recommendations from people whom they know, and by empowering local ambassadors, Unilever reaches consumers in a personal, trusted way. Another good example can be in the healthcare sector, Novartis Arogya Parivar. Novartis Arogya Parivar program in India focuses on educating rural populations about health and wellness. Rather than just promoting pharmaceutical products, Novartis engages local health educators to conduct sessions on common health issues and the benefit of medication adherence. This builds awareness about basic healthcare and also builds trust in Novartis product among the whole community. So that is how awareness can create it. Then the last A of 4 A's is acceptability, which contrasts with the product of traditional marketing mix. So finally, we arrived at acceptability, the counterpart to products in the traditional marketing mix 4 Ps. In traditional marketing, companies create products they think will appeal to their target market. However, in BOP markets, acceptability means creating products that fit the unique cultural, economic and practical needs of the BOP segments. This might involve tweaking the product design, formulation or packaging to make it suitable and acceptable to the local population. Let's take an example of successful acceptability as Procter & Gamble's Tide Natural in India. P&G realized that Indian consumers wanted a detergent with the quality of premium Tide but at a price they could afford. They created Tide Naturals, specifically tailored to Indian washing condition and priced to match consumer budgets. This product succeeded in balancing premium quality with local acceptability. A detailed case of Danone's yogurt in Bangladesh is another great example. In partnership with Grameen Bank, Danone developed a fortified yogurt product which was aimed at tackling malnutrition among children. This yogurt, enriched with essential micronutrients, was sold in small, affordable packages. Besides addressing nutritional needs, the product was formulated to match local taste preferences, making it highly acceptable in the market. Next example to understand product for 4As is the housing sector, Tata Group's Nano Homes. They have demonstrated acceptability by creating affordable housing options in India. These homes are built with materials and designs which suited to local climate and cultural needs, making home ownership accessible and acceptable for lower income families in urban slums. So to conclude this 4 A's, we can say that we have explored these 4 A's of BOP marketing, which are affordability, awareness, availability and acceptability. Each A offer a different approach to traditional concepts, adjusting the marketing mix to overcome the unique challenges faced by BOP consumers. By focusing on the 4 A's, companies can bring essential goods and services to underserved communities, promoting economic inclusion and improving quality of life. This is not just about reaching a new market, it's about making a meaningful impact, innovating and including the BOP segment in the global economy. Thank you for joining this session. Remember, BOP marketing is more than just business. It's a strategy that combines profit with purpose. By implementing the 4 A's, companies can successfully connect with billions of consumers at the base of the pyramid, making a difference one product at a time. Thank you.